I am really thrilled to be able to speak to you today about Race Equality Week, and what it means to us here in Wales. And like I was saying to you before we started recording, I am just so thrilled and inspired and encouraged today because I left this morning, well, this afternoon, to come and speak with you after a whole morning of sharing with primary school, the whole school. So this school, I'll name them, yes, because we like to name and shame, but we
Yep.
need to name and commend more. And so I want to name Katook Primary School in Neath. And they, every Tuesday, so it's not just because of Race Equality Week, it just so happens that today I was there for Race Equality Week on that day, that week. But every Tuesday they have diversity assembly.
Mm.
And they asked me since last year to come in. So this is not something that they're just drumming up because it's Race Equality Week to be trendy or to be, ticking any boxes. And they asked me to come in to share about diversity inclusion, how the kids can learn to understand different cultures. Because I have a grandson at that school, and in that school, it's a very Welsh school. It's only my grandson who has any African Caribbean lineage,
Yeah.
and two other girls that are from, I think that it's Mauritius. And in that whole school, but they still insist on having every Tuesday diversity week. So I was able to share with them about the Jamaican culture. We were singing, Yellow Bird. We were talking about the meaning of the flag. We were talking about, the things that kids in Jamaica do, the food they eat for their breakfast, the snacks they have at school, the games they play. We played games. We played Brown Girl in the Ring. Those of us think it's infra-dig, but you know what? I'm a brown girl in the ring, and so it was okay. I love that. We did Brown Girl in the Ring, and we did Bob Marley's, don't worry about a thing because everything's going to be all right. And they shared their dreams. They shared about what they want to become. And what I loved was that the girls were talking about wanting to be like firefighters and, things that you wouldn't necessarily put the girls in. And, it was incredible. So, yes, I am absolutely buzzing after a morning at a primary school in Neath talking about all things diversity, all things race equality, all things unifying, culturally unifying. So yes, so that's what I thought I'd just share with you straight away.